New shirt. So cute. So foggy today. It is foggy. Nope. Good morning. It's magic morning. Disneyland. Let's see what on that way. It's cold. It is cold. Very crowded today. Yeah. We're stuck in Indiana. You have to wait till you focus. Wait, what? Now do it. Stuck. Look at all those people who are just stuck. They're getting us off the ride.
How they getting it?
The ladder?
Yeah.
This is official Disney business.
We have lost so much Disney time today.
Yeah.
Twice now.
With some GMAT problems?
No, I don't want to do the GMAT.
What's a
I
G?
want Peter Pan. The GMAT is the one you took.
Oh yeah. We're still on the ride. Are you taking this? Do I have mine on?
Yeah.
Okay. Good, you guys. This is how you evacuate the ride.
So watch for the emergency releases.
Oh yeah.
Oh, my message didn't go through.
It didn't.
I sent one.
Please have your phones or anything else in your pocket.
That one?
Phones in your pocket. Have your phone. I think you don't need your stuff.
Trip over something.
We're walking inside Indiana.
Sadness.
See? We're really walking in Indiana Jones. This is behind the scenes. And we're walking off of Indiana. This is good footage. Let me take a picture of myself. Whoa, it's so sticky. So sticky? It's an adventure. Now my shoes are all sticky. Really good. They said to put lime in. Okay, I thought I'd do a quick room tour at the Grand California. We have a 2 queen. Super nice. Like, they've actually redone them recently. And they put all these like gray outlets, which are just so handy, and there's so many of them throughout the thing. This is actually a pull-out bed. And it's really cool. Like, you pull it out, and it even has like a little seam. Like, how cute is that? So it really could sleep a lot of people. Okay, And then, let's clean up these pillows. Here's the TV area. And again, they have this cool, like, outlets right there. There's that. More sitting area. The lamps, more outlets. The coffee area. Refrigerator. Closet. And then, this is the bathroom area. We've been living in it. So, kind of like that. But nice little H2O things in here. Look at this picture I got. One of the Christmas spirits. They're so comfy. Alright. It's been a long day in the park. We are tired and we are going to rest. It's 2:15 and we're gonna take a break before I go back in. So, see you soon. Alright, here's a sideways 22. It's kind of an odd shape, like, I don't know, thinner and thicker on this side. So maybe a cream or something? Oh yeah, I like it. Skin fix. Oh gosh, I'm a little nervous. Okay. So, let's see. This is a foaming oil cleanser. I think I've tried this before and it's actually really good. I like this because it's all really gentle and really I don't think would irritate your skin. So yeah, that's a great one. Super fun.